Hello everyone, welcome back to Optihan. So, are you ready to upgrade your SQL skills for free? In today's video, I will walk you through the Oracle's advanced free course. This course is perfect for anyone who are looking to master the SQL and enhance their career perspective and also earn a professional certificate, all at no cost. Let's dive in. We are going to discuss all the details about this course, how you can enroll for this course for free of cost, and each and everything I discussed. So watch this video till end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where we will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about Oracle and the course. So first let's talk a little bit about Oracle. As we all know, Oracle Corporation is a global leader in the database technology. It is headquartered in the Austin, Texas. So, with the decades of innovation, Oracle is known for its cutting-edge software solutions that power the business worldwide. Now, Oracle is offering a free advanced SQL course which is designed for learners at all levels. Upon completing this course, you will receive a certificate to showcase your new skill. So, whether you are a student, a working professional, or someone looking to switch the career, this course is your gateway to mastering the SQL in 2025. Now, why learn the advanced SQL? So, here is what in demand skill that SQL is one of the most sought after skill in industries like finance, healthcare, and tech. Enhance the data analysis, advanced SQL techniques allows you to perform complex queries and also optimize the database performance. The career growth where a proficiency in SQL can lead to a higher paying roles such as data analytics, database administrator, or business intelligence developer. A versatility, SQL is a backbone of data manipulation and also reporting in many roles. So this course gives you a competitive edge in today's job market. Now let's talk about that what are the course modules that we have in this. So first we have null where you will learn the correct way to handle and as well as query null values. Next we have subqueries where you will understand how to use embedded queries with the SQL statement. Next we have order by and as well as top end. You will master the sorting data and filtering top rows in the dataset. Next we have analytical functions, gain the insights into running totals and individuals row analysis using the slide windows. Pivot and as well as unpivot where you will convert the rows into a column and vice versa for better data representation. A union, minus and interset will combine and compare the data from the multiple tables. Hierarchical queries where managing the parent-child relations in the datasets such as employee manager hierarchies. You will learn the update or insert operations for the database efficiency also. Next we have read consistently. You will understand how Oracle database ensures the consistent views of the data. Now, what is eligibility criteria and how you can enroll for this course? So the best part is this course is open to everyone regardless of age, background or experience. Here is what you can enroll. So first, the link in the description box. When you click on that link, you will get redirected to this page and you can simply press on learn SQL. Then you will redirect to the sign up page. If you have an account here, then you can directly sign into your account and you can just start learning here. This page will get opened and from here you can just simply press on module 1 and it will next go to the other page that yeah, here is that the video will be getting this. Here you can see the estimated time of this video and what is the difficulty of this video and how many students have been viewed. So this is what you can see it over here and you will also get the live tutorial also you will be getting and some of the exercise for this thing where you will be doing here. So this is what you will be getting. Complete this course modules at your own pace and you can earn your certificate and also where you can add it to your resume and also LinkedIn profile. Now why should you enroll now? Here is what you can't miss this opportunity. You will learn directly from the oracles that is a leader in the database technology. This course is completely free and comes with a certificate of completion also. And also will gain a practical skills that can high demand across industries and also will boost your career with advanced knowledge of SQL also. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and take the first step towards a successful career in the data analysis analytics. So if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends and subscribe to Opportunity for more amazing opportunities like this and drop your questions in the comment below. I would love to help you too. So see you in the next video.